Hey guys, another life, another vlog. Nandito na naman ang inyong Inday na Filipina na hindi mabenta sa mga Filipino kaya nag-decide na magpakasal sa isang Amerikano. Ganun. Well, I have no choice because the standard of Filipino people are the white ones. So my skin is kind of brown. So they think that maybe I'm not pretty at all. So that's why I decided to choose an AFAM to get married. That's all. That's my story. So how is yours? Well, every one of us are entitled to our opinion, but the opinion of others is I'm aftering the green card, the money, blah, blah, blah. It's been a long time and we've been together for almost 6 years and we have 3 children. Really. If I am only aftering the money, maybe I'm really rich right now or something. Maybe I have a lot of money here, that I can give away because I'm rich. Because of my husband. Do you think so? Is that make any sense? Charis. So, by the way, change topic. We're here right now in Nora's place, a very beautiful place. And, you can order anything you want, a beer, something, food. And at the same time, you can watch your family, your kids, swimming, that's really important. You see that? That's me 3 years ago. Right now, I look like a baboy. But of course, because I eat a lot right now, and I feel hungry all the time, it's because I'm breastfeeding mom. Yes, at that time, Edward is the youngest one. And right now, there's another weasel that I have to take good care of. So, that's how it works because that's the cycle of life. We're having a great time here all the time. By the way, this place is very near in our house. It's called Nora's Place Boutique. So if ever you want to come here in Bohol, Philippines, you can visit here. Yes, with your family. They had really spare room for family. And especially if you really have a lot of company, then they have a room for you also. And of course, you can decide either you're going to order foods and they can cook it for you, or you are going to the market and cook what you want to cook to eat for the day. But me and my family, when we are here to spend time together, we usually order food because it's more easier. So, yun lang ang mai-share ko, guys. And then, this is Edward. Very, very curious of everything. Of course, takes after daddy, not me. So that's it, guys. This is what I'm going to share to you today. I hope you're going to enjoy the video. And I hope you do understand that this is already like 3 years ago. But I will still going to share it to you guys. Para naman mai-post ko to, guys. At mai-delete na din. Kasi full storage na talaga ako eh. So by the way, guys, kami lang dalawa ng asawa ko. Yung mga kapatid ko wala pa dito. So grabe yung pag-aalaga namin sa mga anak namin. Ako kay Edward. Yung asawa ko naman ay kay Willis. It's not easy but we can handle. Of course, kasi tinutulungan din naman ako ng asawa ko. So wala talagang problema, guys. He's really responsible. So akala talaga ng iba na hindi ako tinutulungan ng asawa ko. But nagkakamali kayo kasi every morning siya yung nagluluto ng breakfast at magwash ng dishes at ako na ang bahala sa mga anak namin. So yun na. And sometimes he changed the diaper of the children and, I really appreciate that. Tingnan niyo yung buka ni Edward, diba? Galit na galit. Parang monokid, diba? And that's it, guys. If ever you want to watch my video in the future, don't forget to subscribe and follow. Thank you!